welcome. Today there's a small update on my engine or on my game. Currently I'm not making as much progress as I would want to, as I have tests in university coming up, so a lot of time is burning up in learning and not in coding. But anyways, I have added a couple of things to the engine that I can show you today. So let's just start it up. So last time we had the mouse picker working. The mouse picker is for sure still working. What I have fixed is the lighting is fixed now. So first of all, the picking is now a lot more solid, as the mouse gets deactivated as soon as you enter the editing mode or the building mode, as you can say. And I've added a small feature that not always works, but most of the time it works. That is that I can rotate my camera to an object. So this is at the moment the grid. Let's put it up, and then when I click rotate to object, the camera will rotate to the object, and if I do jump to object, it will even jump close to the object. Okay, so let's look down again. Let's put that back down to 0. And another feature is that I've managed to get buttons with pictures to work. Problem is for now that, first of all, this is not the right image, but that's a different problem, or that's because I made something else there. Well, I just went outside of the scope with my camera. Well done. Good. Let's restart it again. That's a problem I still have to solve, or I have to restrict the camera more. Okay, so the problem here is that I have not managed to cache the picture of what I'm going to build in my program. So what I would like to do is take the model, render it, save the buffer to a PNG, and then save it. And then on every program start, it will just check, oh, there's a new model. Do I have an image cached for that model? If not, then I will just render it really quick, make an image, save that image. So that's a feature for the future that I want to implement. Okay, so another thing that I've implemented is I've finally implemented a global sun that is working now. It has its own GUI, and you can change the sun color, which is pretty cool for like the sun going down and stuff. It doesn't have a model at the moment. It's going to have a simple like circle in the sky that's going to rotate around, and it will have its own orbit. I don't have that yet. I just have a fixed position. I can make it like, for example, higher, and then like move it around. So that's not a problem. So this is working now. It's really important to have a global light emitter that everything is like bound to. So this was added. And that's pretty much it for today. There's the next thing I want to add, that's still the asset browser that I talked about in the last 2 videos now. This is like the beginning of the asset browser. Yeah, take it and place it. And another cool feature that I've added, I just forgot it, is that I now can load models out of XML documents. I'm quite new to this concept, so in the moment it looks really basic and not really cool, but I can show you the XML document real quick. And I can just add as many models as I want to this XML file. So this is the structure for a house. And I have this 2x2 grass. I have the well model, which is in this case, I think just I think it's just a stone. It's just not named correctly, and two houses that are meshed into each other. And I can just take it away. And if I build a new house now, it should look different. As you can see, it looked like this before, and now it doesn't have this second house meshed into it. So it's very dynamic and it works on the fly, which is really nice. And this is what I want to expand on. I want to make a complete asset browser that just takes in a lot of XML documents and then shows you like a small house and then its different variants. So a small house can look has five different options of how it can look, and that's my future ideas. Thank you for watching.